Tell me, Mrs. Jetson, how do you like the 21st century?
I'm exhausted. I pushed a button to make the bed. I pushed a button to scrub the floor. I pushed a button to do my hair.
But, Mrs. Jetson, that doesn't seem to be much of a problem.
Oh, it's not hard. It's just depressing. I've got the push-button blues, the push-button blues. My finger is sore from doing each chore. I just can't push one button more. Why can't I lose those push-button blues? I wish there was something to pull, to open or close. Maybe I could learn to push the buttons with my toes. Those blues, oh, those push-button blues. Before I blow a fuse, won't someone help me lose those finger-aching, aggravating push-button blues? It's push, push, brush my teeth. Push, push, roast the beef with a finger that gets no relief. Those blues, oh, those push-button blues. How can I lose those P-U-S-H-B-U-T-T-O-N blues?
Judy, what are you doing sitting up in the kitchen? It's 3 o'clock in the morning.
I can't sleep, Dad.
What do you mean you can't sleep?
We went to the Interplanetary Palladium to hear him sing. He's the greatest.
Who's him?
The Screamer. You should hear him sing Eep Up Ork.
Sing what?
Eep Up Ork, ah-ah, Eep Up Ork, ah-ah, Eep Up Ork, ah-ah. That means you're the end. I went to hear the Screamer sing Eep, Eep Up Ork, ah-ah. He's just about the cutest thing. Eep Up Ork, ah-ah. Now he's the one I dream about. Eep Up Ork, ah-ah. I just had to scream and shout. Eep Up Ork, ah-ah. Eep Up Ork, ah-ah. Eep Up Ork, ah-ah. Eep Up Ork, ah-ah. That means you're the end. I couldn't sit still in my seat. Eep Up Ork, ah-ah. He put me in orbit with his beat. Eep Up Ork, ah-ah. I felt like I was a shooting star. Eep Up Ork, ah-ah. I could have shot right up to Mars. Eep Up Ork, ah-ah. He's the guy. Makes me cry. Eep Up Ork means he's